Pedego Latch is an electric folding bike like no other. It rides like a dream and easily folds in about 30 seconds. Once it's folded, a special ball and socket hold everything together so it's easy to carry. It can be supported by the seat post or tipped over to rest on pads attached to the rear rack. Unique to the Latch is a Gates carbon belt drive that delivers a seamless, quiet ride with no messy chain grease. An internally geared hub provides easy pedaling and smooth shifting, and there's no derailleur to bend or break. The most important part of every Pedego is the person riding it, and the Latch can easily be adjusted to comfortably fit people of all shapes and sizes. The upright riding position feels surprisingly like a full-size bike. Although it's designed to be compact and lightweight, the performance of the Latch leaves nothing to be desired. It's a real thrill to ride. The state-of-the-art geared motor gives you a sensation of power that's exhilarating. The cutting-edge Lithium Battery is lightweight and long-lasting with an industry-leading 3-year warranty. It locks into place and quickly slides out to make the bike easier to carry. Like all Pedegos, the Latch is designed with you in mind. It's fully loaded with user-friendly features that make riding even more fun and practical. It includes a twist-and-go throttle for full power on demand, multiple levels of pedal assist mode for a more natural riding experience, an LCD display with a USB charging port for your phone, top-of-the-line disc brakes that stop on a dime, front and rear lights for your safety, fenders and a chain guard to keep you clean and dry, and Kevlar belted tires with self-sealing tubes to help prevent flats. The Pedego Latch will set you free, enabling you to travel in comfort and style wherever you may roam. I invite you to find a dealer and try one for free. Discover for yourself all the joy of riding a Pedego electric bike. Hello, fun!